Hi guys, this is just a unboxing video of the Realme 5 Pro. So let's get started. If you are buying this from Malaysia, here is what you get in the box. Okay, I will leave the full hardware spec in the description down below if you guys are interested to know. So you will get I believe a translucent case, booklets, power side, a typical TPU translucent black case, and this is the phone. I bought the green color, which I like it a lot. Let's see. Oh my god, damn, just look like a reflection. Whew. 3D effect. What else inside the box? I have no idea. And this is the VOOC charger, which I heard a lot of good things about it. I will definitely check it out. And this is the cable, Type C one, I believe. Is it? Yes, Type C cable. And SIM ejection tools. That's it guys, nothing else I have to say. But initially I just want to buy a cheaper phone just for work purposes, but I thought I want to buy the Redmi Note 8 Pro, but unfortunately it was higher than my budget. My budget is roughly just around 1000 ringgit, but the Redmi Note 8 Pro around 1200 ringgit. So I have no choice but to choose this one, which personally I think is good also because it has the Snapdragon processor, and the Redmi Note 8 have the damn, look at the reflection. And the Redmi Note 8 Pro have a MediaTek processor, which personally I doesn't really like MediaTek processor as it get really hot easily. So I choose the Realme 5 Pro. Okay, that's it guys. I will do a full review later after I use the phone for around 1 to 2 weeks. Okay, that's it guys.